So W King appears to have released a new version of the D9, not just the update like to the firmware, where they actually did release it with the firmware update. This one, as you can see by the box, they refer to it as a D9-1 or a 0.1. I'll refer to it as the Hulk version because, like the D8, this one is black with green. Now, I won't go over like the technical aspects of the speaker because it's the same speaker as the D9. But the biggest change cosmetically, as you can see, is we now have green in the middle. So it's got a green contrast through there, and the W King is in green. And to me personally, I really like it. I like the green and black combination. Other than that, I don't think there's any difference in the speaker. Buttons, everything's the same. I'm assuming it's got some type of a firmware adjustment. They tend to do this all the time. The D9, like I said, they had a second version that's come out. The X10, they had a firmware update for that. The D8, I know the green one I had, and then the one with the silver grill and black sounded different. So they tend to update and change their speakers pretty often. So this may be just a cosmetic update. I don't have the original D9 on hand to compare it to. Okay, so like other W King speakers, the volume doesn't sync to your phone. They still haven't figured that out. I don't know why. But so always make sure, if you want to see what the full volume is, to keep tapping the volume button on the speaker till it beeps to let you know you're at full volume, and then you can control from there. So we'll start off, this is at 40% on EQ1, and we'll do EQ1 a little bit, and then we'll do EQ2. Change track, still 40%. Go up to 60%. Change track. So as of right now, up to 60% with this. It has some good punchy bass. Probably not super deep, but like I said, I can't compare this to the old D9 because I don't have that on hand anymore. The highs are a little bit recessed, so when there are vocals, they seem to be a little bit recessed, and it's a little warmer sounding. Of course, this is EQ1, which is supposed to be like more the bass mode. So we'll go back to it. Go up to 80%. Change tracks.
Waiting for my love.
does hold its bass pretty well, up to 100%. A lot of the speakers start scaling the bass back through DSP to keep it from getting distorted or sounding odd. This speaker doesn't, it's not super deep, but it does retain most of its bass as you go up the scale. Let's go up to 60%. Go 80%.